Good day, everyone. Learn how to download Microsoft Edge and how to download and install it, the Microsoft Edge. So you can open the browser and just type Microsoft Edge download and hit enter. You will find the Microsoft.com. Please make sure you do not visit any other site to download the Microsoft Edge. Only visit the Microsoft.com, and the moment you click on download Microsoft Edge, install Microsoft Edge, then you just need to get the download option. So from here, you can download it, and you can also download it from the mobile phone as well. So here it says Microsoft Edge is already installed on your device. So this is why it's asking you to open Edge. However, if you haven't downloaded, then you can simply click on continue to downloading Edge, and it will also give you an option to download for Windows 7, for Windows Server. That's the best part. So you can download it, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.